Hello everybody. I want to show you how you can make parameterized curves in Desmos. All a parameter is it's a value that will affect your curve that you can change. So if you want to head over to Desmos, you can type along with me. We have a regular parabola here, but if I wanted to, I could add a vertical scale factor, k. And you already know that you can drag the slider around to visualize k. K is the parameter here. It just affects the vertical stretch of our function. If I wanted to, I could have k affect the vertical translation. And so then you could see what effect that would have. You could have two separate parameters if you wanted to. A different thing that you could do would be, instead of dragging around the value of k with a slider, you could actually visualize several curves at the same time. So if you have a square bracket, you could do this. You could say 1, 2, 3, ... all the way up to 10, let's say. And so now it's visualizing simultaneously what this equation looks like for every value of k starting at 1 going up to 10. You could start and end wherever you want, and you can also include different kinds of patterns. So I could say like -4, -2, 0, or let's do ... all the way up to 10. So now it's starting at -4 going up to 10, but the k values are skipping by 2. So that's a different thing that you could try. You also shouldn't be afraid to try the parameter in places that aren't transformations. So instead of x squared, what if I was going to make the exponent here be a parameter? Well, let's get the negative values out of here. So let's say we're going to do 2, 3, 4, up to 6. So if you think about how to make sense of this, we're getting both even powers, which are making the U-shapes, and odd powers. If we wanted to just visualize even powers, for example, we could do 2, 4, 6, up to 10. And so now that's just visualizing even powers. You also don't need to use integers. I've got 1/4, 1/2, 1/6, 1/8, which looks like this. If you wanted to, you could add another parameter in. So now we can have all of those curves, but we can scale them by some value. So hopefully this will help you in your Desmos experiments.